Okay, the girls are all waiting to come out into the yard. So we're going to open their door. Antoinette, Sophie, and Lita. Here comes Ellie, Josie, and Molly last. Come on, girls! Come on, girls! Come on, girls! Come on, girls! There's Molly. Antoinette. Hello, Molly. Hello, Molly. There's Sophie. Come on, girls. Okay, we're following right behind Josie. Ah, there's a little bit of cockfighting. It's funny the way the hens still do that. There's Lita. Let's see if I can get a shot of Ellie. There's Ellie. Ellie! Come here! There's Ellie. Antoinette. Look! Look, look, look! Look, 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 look! Look, 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 look! Look, 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 look! Look, look! Look, 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 look! Come here, girls! Look, look, look! Okay, end of show. They're running into the other yard.